Hey, what is going on everybody? I'm Riz and you're watching the YouTube guide. Today we are comparing the background blur. It's a background blur war. So in this comparison, we're comparing iPhone 12 Pro Max, which cost about $1,100, and the DSLR that you're watching right now that cost fraction, not even a half, literally a fraction of this iPhone 12 Pro Max. So let's see if the iPhone produces more background blur or the DSLR. All right, so first off, indoor medium light photo comparison. I want you to pause this video right now and just guess which one do you like the most. Do you like the one on left? Do you like the one on right? I want you to comment down below which one do you like the most, okay? I mean, clearly the DSLR wins here. All right, so now it's the video comparison. So both are on the same distance, I mean almost same distance. Both are on the same lighting setup, no extra light for the either of these devices. Now I haven't seen the footage myself, so let me know in the comment section below which one do you like the most. Do you like the footage from the camera or the iPhone footage? All right, now let's take it outside. So on your left, it's the DSLR footage. On your right, it's the iPhone footage. Let me know in the comment section below which one do you like the most. Now, sure, iPhone is kind of holding on its own. I wasn't expecting it to be that good, but it is what it is. We've got some outside pictures as well. I mean, at this point, I just feel like you really can't beat a DSLR, but you are sacrificing space, and not to mention the camera is for videos and photos only, but on the other hand, you have iPhone that does a lot of stuff for you. So you have to keep that in mind. And also the price difference. This camera cost about $150 and this iPhone costs $1,100. All right, last but not least, it's the low light performance. Now I prefer the DSLR footage. iPhone is pretty good in low light, don't get me wrong, but in this case, I would prefer the DSLR footage because it looks professional, it looks kind of cool, and also you can just color grade it because I recorded half of these in C-Log. Let me show you the color grade and the ungraded footage, and then I will try to color grade the iPhone footage to make it look cinematic too, okay? So let's try that. All right, so this is a C-Log footage, and now this is a graded footage. It looks cool, looks clean, looks cinematic. Now it's time for the iPhone. All right, so this is a stock iPhone footage, and now let's just apply a lumetri color on it and see how well it performs, because a lot of camera just falls apart when you apply a LUT on it, and that's why you prefer a DSLR camera. Looks like iPhone is holding on its own. Apparently, this is the stock footage and this is the graded footage, and I don't see any artifacts, and it looks clean, it looks cinematic to me, and that's it. Which one do you prefer? Let me know in the comment section below. A closing note. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comment section below which one do you prefer. Sure, it is pricey, it's cheap, and let me know in the comment section below which one do you like the most, okay? I'm Riz, and I'll catch you in the next one.